right breast pump depends on your lifestyle. A manual breast pump is lightweight, quiet, affordable, and doesn't require electricity or batteries. It's ideal for occasional pumping or travel. An electric breast pump is faster and requires less hand effort. It's often the best choice for mothers who pump multiple times every day or return to work. Manual pumps give you full control over speed and suction, while electric pumps provide automatic suction cycles. Cleaning both types properly is equally important to keep your milk safe. Neither option is better for everyone. The best breast pump is the one that fits your needs, feels comfortable, and helps you remove milk effectively. Whether you choose manual or electric pumping, remember that both can successfully provide breast milk